naira is still going to depreciate, there are still some people that are really scared about converting their naira to dollars. Dollar is not expensive now and you cannot just see dollar anywhere. For some reason, people believe in me and they think I have money, which I really love. If you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering how you can invest with as little as $10 using your Piggyvest account. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you practical ways on how you can actually invest in real estate just by using your Piggyvest account. I'll also advise that you watch up until the very end because I'm going to be sharing with you tips on how you can make a couple extra cash just by using Piggyvest. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, then just sit back, grab a cup of juice and keep on watching. Hey girls, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, you're welcome. My name is Adishalami and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. Please be sure you subscribe to me just by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Also turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified when I post similar content related to this one right here. Do not also forget to like this video, especially if you find it helpful and beneficial to you in one way or the other. Without further much talking, let's get right into the video. You probably already know what a Piggyvest account is or what Piggyvest is basically, but if you do not know what Piggyvest is, it is basically a saving and investment platform. Although they started off as a saving platform where you just keep your money, but over time they've moved on to the investment, they've moved on to the saving and investment platform, and they've definitely had this feature on their app for a very long time. But I personally have not taken my time to explore that option for whatever reason. I don't know, but majorly it was because that investment is dominated by naira, and I'm not a fan of investing with naira because the main purpose of investing is to grow your money and to stop it from devaluation and inflation, right? Basically to stop your money from depreciating. So there's no point if I'm investing in naira and the naira is still going to depreciate. At the end of the day, by the time I get my interest, everything still accumulates together to whatever it is that I invested, because obviously inflation must have affected it. But I'm filming this video because there are still some people that are really scared about converting their naira to dollars, or for people that they really do not make as much money to convert their naira to dollar. Okay, not because I have access to dollars does not mean my neighbor has access to dollars. So if you're a kind of person that you make money in naira and converting your dollars seems like a very crazy idea. The dollar is currently about 710 naira right now. So if you're even making 100,000 naira and you've taken out your car allowance, food allowance, health insurance, and all those stuff, you're basically left with little or nothing. Converting that to dollar might seem like could make sense now. But yeah, because of people like that, you might as well just invest in naira with your Piggyvest account. About a month ago, I made a video similar to this where I talked about how you can invest in real estate with less than $50 as well using Square Roof. It is really similar to Square Roof, but this is the Piggyvest version. I'm going to leave the link to the Square Roof video in the description box, so be sure to check that out. That one is basically like an investment platform where you solely invest in real estate, and I really like Square Roof because the annual returns is up to 20%. Trust me when I tell you that there is no investment in this Nigerian. I've never seen one. Even banks doesn't give you 20% guaranteed returns. Okay, so with Square Roof you have that flexibility and you're able to invest with as little as 2,000 naira. So something like that is what we are going to be talking about here, but this is the Piggyvest version. To do that, all you need is to have Piggyvest downloaded on your phone, and if you do not have it downloaded or you don't even know what Piggyvest looks like, it is very simple. Even a primary school person would be able to set up their account and activate it. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description box. If you are new, please use my link so that I can get 1,000 naira and you also get 1,000 naira. Okay, so basically all you need to do is download Piggyvest, go to Google Store or App Store, download Piggyvest. After you must have downloaded it, all you need to do is set it up. It's really simple. Include your BVN, your legal name. Always use your legal name when you're setting up a saving, setting up on a saving or an investment platform, because it is very, very important. I'm not going to lie to you guys. So basically, all you need to do is go on to your Piggyvest. I have it right here, and you want to log in. When you log in, okay, now that I've logged in, this is what the dashboard looks like. All you need to do is go to this invest tab right here, usually in the middle, and click on, I currently do not have any active investment here. You want to click on explore. So right here, Piggyvest currently has like 3 investment opportunities that you can take advantage of. The one that got me really fascinated is this verified real estate investment in Freedom Way Lekki. I like the fact that Piggyvest has already verified it, and it seemed like an interesting opportunity. Okay, they also have the Sundry Food Limited Series 1 commercial paper issue. They also have the Trust Bank commercial paper Series 1. And if you click on each of these investment opportunity, you would see how much you're going to be getting in returns for a specific period of time. And the least amount of money you can invest in either of these is 5,000 naira. So I feel like if you can set aside 5,000 naira a month for an investment, then I think it is really, really good. Trust me, it is a really good deal. And one thing I've noticed is that real estate always appreciates. There's this app I've been using, Rise. I've actually never had the time to go through it thoroughly to film a video for you guys, but I've been using it for over 3 months or 4 months now. Trust me, and I really, really like the application. Okay, so for this one, all you need to do is check which of the opportunities you are interested in. But I'm mostly interested in this verified real estate investment. The only problem I have with this is that it does not have like an exact amount of returns. It just says profit payout type. Profit is paid periodically according to unit shares. So it depends on how much you invest to determine how much you are going to be making. But other ones here, you can see it has, on this one we have 11.8% expected returns in 9 months. Here we have 11.8% in 9 months as well. But for this particular one, we've not been given the expected returns. Maybe it would be updated later, but for now we currently do not know how much it is that you would be getting as return. But I still think it is a very, very good investment. You can invest in this up until October 31st of 2022, and if you want to invest, all you need to do is click on invest now, because I am going to be doing that, and I'm just going to be buying 1 share. Okay, which is 5,000 naira. If you want to buy 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or even, oh wow, you can buy, really, it is endless. You can buy as much as you can afford. It's going, it's going, it's gone, it's going, it's going, it's going, it's going, it's going, it's. I even want to see where it gets to, where it ends. I've gotten to like 15 million. So if you have 15 million naira, I'm not saying invest 15 million naira here, okay? But I'm going to be investing in 1 share. So it's going to be 1 share here. Select a funding account. I have my bank card here already, so I'm just going to click on it, and I'll click on proceed. And I just need to, okay, good. It says, wow, project growth by the 31st of December is about 28.7%. But that's 31st December 2023. Interesting. What do you think, guys? What do you think? But anyway, irrespective of what you think, if you want to invest in real estate and you want to start really, really small, I like the fact that a lot of companies are now giving people the opportunity to start investing in bits, in their real estate in bits, rather than having people with a very large amount of money come invest. So because I have 5,000 naira and I have access to Piggyvest, I can actually just invest using my Piggyvest. So all I need to do here is input my Piggyvest account and I'm going to proceed. So it means that my 5,000 naira is going to be locked until 31st of December 2023, which is about a year plus. So it means that if I'm investing more than this, I'm going to be making a whole lot than this. But for the purpose of this video, I am just going to be investing 5,000 naira in this. So I'm just going to input my password. I hereby confirm the investment of 5,000 naira to acquire one share. I acknowledge, proceed. Are you sure you want to do this? Confirm. And success. Charge attempted, approved. Purchase of one share in verified real estate investment in Freedom with Lekki investment ID, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so that's basically how to invest. And then you get an email. Oh, debit alert. And then you get an email from Piggyvest. I'm sure. Let's see if we have any email from Piggyvest. We currently do not have any, but I'm sure before the end of tomorrow, I would be getting an email to confirm that. For some reason, it's not updating. But let me click on it again and see how much share I have. It's not updating, which I think maybe by tomorrow it should. And if it does, I'm probably going to put a screenshot of it on the screen right now. So basically, you can just read about this opportunity on about the investment opportunity on each investment. So all you need to do is click on it and about this opportunity, read about it, and you know if you really want to invest. Please know that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is solely for educational purposes. Only invest with an amount of money you can let go, because I can let go of this 5,000 naira right now, so I can actually invest in something. If you cannot let go of 5,000 naira, you do not have to do it. Only invest in what you can afford to let go at the moment. 2 tips on how you can make an extra couple of money using Piggyvest. The first one is price arbitrage. In my side also video, I talked about how you can make money with price arbitrage. So on Piggyvest, basically all you need to do is to buy and sell dollar. Dollar is not expensive now, and you cannot just see dollar anywhere. Okay, so basically what I do is that I have, for some reason, people believe in me and they think I have money, which I really, really love. Okay, but basically some of my friends reach out to me and they always need dollar. So what I do is that, because I don't want to sell the dollar I have right now, what I do is I go on to Piggyvest, and I've already shared with you how to actually buy dollar. You want to go to your flex dollar. See, I'm broke. Jaden broke. Shala broke. And you can even transfer to anyone here. All you need to do is request for their contact or their Piggy ID link. But here you just need to fund your account, fund my dollar wallet. Dollar on Piggyvest is currently 695 naira. So if I buy a dollar, so what I do is that if I have a friend that needs $500, I would charge him at the current black market rate. So if the black market rate is 710 naira, 720 naira, I would calculate it, and because Piggyvest now charge $20 for each transaction, each transfer to your bank account. So you need to do the math. You need to be very, very good with math for you to deal with money. Trust me. Okay, let me say you don't need to be very good with math, but you need to be very good with calculation. Just be able to do basic calculation. Okay. So what I do is that if someone needs $100, I will tell the person, okay, the current market rate is 720 naira, but because I'm the one sourcing the money for you, okay, I'm not going to charge you 720 naira, because you know that you can easily just walk to an abuki man and go and meet him and go and change money, but you don't have the strength, you don't have the time. Okay, personally, I might charge like 730 naira, 740 naira, depending on the kind of person and depending on how urgent he needs the money. Okay, you buy and you resell at an higher price. So that is the second way, is to refer people. I said to use my link in the description box if you are new. So if you refer people to use Piggyvest, you get 1,000 naira, and the person also get 1,000 naira. Currently, I have like I think 3 referrals and pending right now, but for some reason I'm not able to transfer my money. It keeps saying disabled, but I know that it's, as you can see, temporarily disabled. Please try again. But I know that one day they'll wake up and open their eyes and say, okay, you can now transfer your money. So those are the two major ways you can make extra money using Piggyvest. I hope I've been very, very detailed in this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First, because it is free, and second, it helps other people discover this channel right here. Also, do not forget to like this video. It is very, very important that you like this video. You might not even subscribe, but please like this video. It's going to show YouTube that you are interested in this video, and they will definitely recommend it to other people. So thank you very much. We've come to the end of this video. Stay safe, stay fabulous, and I'm going to see you in my next one.
Tengo sin verte, en verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en